Okay, so here it is, Greg. 202. So still no door. The windows, I mean, everything's coming along well. I believe the tile in the bathroom is new. Still got wires, right? Needs paint. Got the electrical. So it's coming along, right? Got the kitchen, the island is up there. Got wires coming out the wall. We don't have any tiles down on the, and I'll go walk through one that's more complete, right? So we can kind of see the differences. So, and then you have the master right here, right? You know, you still got the ceiling. Buenos dias. So, I mean, everything's looking good, dude. It's just the timeline, right? And then you got the electrical right here. So let me go walk through another unit that is, and this would be 202. This would be 203. And the farther you go down, the more, you know, like the elevator. So I don't think anybody's taken possession yet. Buenos dias. So here's the floor right below you. You got the door on, right? This looks, see, like this looks a lot closer to delivery. Got the washer dryer right there blocking. So you've got this is the floor below you. Then you got this floor right here, right? So, I mean, they just want their money, it's fine. You know, they still gotta do the painting out here and stuff. This one, I could see being done for delivery, right? The last thing I want them to do is just to be rushing, right? So,